Brad Williams, XL Prime measurements. Separate measurements by X, case sensitive. Put it in the columns 1 through 3. We have these extended measurements here. We have a second example, and we want to use case insensitive to address either capital X or lowercase x. Here's our output. Here's our input. Very straightforward. All we're going to do is address the X. Any separation, you can see why we're only getting 2 outputs here. Our output here, 213 byte. Why is it not split? What's the default for case sensitivity? Always case sensitive, not case insensitive. For second example, what's going on here? Notice all cap X. For third example, see how it's split? Recognize, this is important here, we have spaces after, in between the X. Sure, you incorporate this with quotes, not single quotes, double quotes. For this fourth example, you can see that we're not achieving anything here. This is all fixed data, because you know this does not work with random data. For second example, would we switch up here? Recognize the B17, X is our delimiter, and we go over to the fifth argument, and that would be our match mode. 1 is case insensitive. What does that mean? That means any X's, we're going to be able to split apart. That's why we have this consistent flow or separation between measurements 25, 144, 44, and 123 is just self-inputted. Over here, the narrative, what I just discussed, the various arguments that you can manipulate. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.